From Capiz,
From
Iloilo.
Capiz. Ayan, narinig mo yun?
Yes, also no?
Yeah, I know Filipa. In fact, his father is Pedro Losada. Pedro Losada is the...
Pedro Losada.
Yes, because Filipa has two brothers, Graciano
Oh,
and Valeriano.
Valeriano.
And then there's another one called Felipe. Oh, Vicente. Vicente.
Doon ay nagpadala sa among website.
Oh, that's
Mona.
a family tree. Yeah, to trace a family.
Tree.
That's true, that's true.
Yeah.
And then we have a relative, they're in Negros. He's even a politician.
Who's his name?
Apolinario.
Apolinario, that is
Oh,
our relative.
Apolinario Losada. He is a congressman. And then junior na siya. The father. But the father is dead na. And in Negros Occidental.
That's right.
Oh, he is the congressman.
I studied his website because he has a website, John Losada,
Oh,
and he has also this family tree.
yeah.
And
We really need it. The younger generation will never know. And then they will just marry.
That's right.
They don't know they are a relative.
okay, something I'm going to ask you because it puzzles me because John Losada, his father is Apolinario Senior.
John Losada.
Yes, John Losada is congressman. Congressman Losada, Apolinario
Kasi
Losada.
Apolinario.
Oh, he's the congressman. You are
Yes,
talking
yes,
about.
yes, that's true.
And then his father is Apolinario Senior.
Senior, yeah, yeah.
And then his grandfather is called Felipe Losada. And his great-grandfather is called Anselmo.
In which I don't know na.
And then his great-great-grandfather is Pedro Losada. No, Pedro Losada, the
Yeah.
name is Pedro
But
Losada.
we have Pedro Losada, who died also, an uncle of mine, from Bantayan, a very rich man, owned fisheries. Maybe junior to the senior,
Yes.
the older generation. Because he is Pedro Losada.
That Pedro
Chupindoy.
Losada is the son of Justo. You know him, Justo Losada?
No, no, no. I think that is not the son.
You
Justo
corrected it.
Really, Justo Losada is the first degree cousin of my mother.
That's right, that's right.
So, that Pedro Losada, I told you from Bantayan Island, is the first degree of my mother, your grandmother. I will show
First
you the
degree?
picture. First degree, not the great-great grandmother.
Oh, first degree na.
Maybe there are names like that,
That's right.
the great-grandfathers, the older generations, which I don't know anymore. But
So there are many
I know
Pedro
them
Losada.
because we met and then, they are very nice people. We were in Bantayan before, we lived there. Oo,
I see.
Chupindoy. Chupindoy.
Chupindoy.
Pedro is Pindoy.
I think if I remember you on this league.
Yeah, Palay. Palay.
You were younger.
May dali-dali kanya si Tata.
Hey!
Colors. Wala ka na ibang colors. Yung mga itim pa rin. Lalagyan mo na. Oy, all white hair!
Kulang na po eh.
Sige na, basta kay
You agree with me? I told her not to wear always black anymore. Look at her.
Me?
Red. I told her red.
This is my cousin.
Yes.
That's my daughter Laila.
Black. Very pretty.
How old are you, Laila?
27.
27 already, but you don't look it. Very young looking. Parang si Lala. You've got the eyes of like your auntie.
Auntie Lau? Oh yeah. From
You
told me
remind me
that.
of her. Oo. Very much like.
You erase your
I was a young 20s. I was her age. I think I was about 20. I was 27. Her age, Laila's age.
You look, oh, good afternoon. You look young and happy person. Very glaring and very attractive.
Maybe amat si Tata.
Sige.
Oh, it's a celebration.
I'm glad that you come over. You just cancel your appointment
Because
there.
when I interviewed him earlier, I tried to gauge how he could fit in. But he could fit in so that we could meet in Makati because it's so near my place of residence. But when I learned that you're leaving tomorrow, I know it's chaos already for you. So the best way is to come here.
That's
The
right,
best
yeah.
way. Is to
Alam mo,
come
May,
here.
I could remember you back in 1961 or 62. You were passing by a Paragon, and everybody said,
Ice ride. I tell my sons, especially Marty, who we share a lot of time coffee together. You know, your mom, because they have never seen their mom when they grew up. Of course, I was very much a family person. They have never seen their mom flirt or anything. Okay, I mean, they have always seen me as a mom and as a wife. You know, your mom. When I was a student, all the miss whatever, and news of this and sponsor of this was all hit on me on both schools. And when I passed by the corridor, all the classes would stop and they would, you could hear a pin drop, I said, and I could hear me, si Ma being whispered, "Ha, mommy," sabi niya, and sabi ko, yung mga nililigaw iho on Sundays, nagpipila. And then sabi ni Martin, my son, sa kapili-pili mo, tingnan mo, napunta ka kay daddy. Napunta ka kay daddy.
Who are they here? Who's who?
Wala na, Lola Kunching.
Si Kunsing, hosto.
Oo, there is, oo.
Kasi kamayang-mayong din ni Papasad.
Of course, Yutonying. Of course, Yutonying. Bagot siya si part Lalal, part Lorna.
Oo.
Special part. Oo. Lorna, so sweet. Oo. Love,
Sabaw.
sensible.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd
So
like,
if you want
I'll get their
information,
names, I'll
si
get
Tutoy,
their-
kasi si Tutoy kilala kayo raw ni pati si Arthur kasi naka-adto ko na mo sa Germany.
Exactly. That's why I asked